By May or June, most gymnastics gyms are doing the same thing every year, scrambling to fill summer spots, boosting posts, sending last-minute emails, and still ending up with empty camp spots and lost revenue. If summer camp always is stressful instead of a predictable time for you, this video is for you. I'm Jess from Disruptive, and we help gymnastics gyms and kids activity centers fill programs without last-minute panic. In this video, I'm breaking down a step-by-step summer camp marketing strategy to help you fill your camps early, even if you've never run ads before. This is the exact framework we use with our own clients every single year. There's a core strategy. The very first thing in the foundation is timing. Everything starts here. Most gyms treat summer camp marketing like a spring problem. The gyms that fill first start marketing at the end of January. Parents plan early. By spring, many already have camps booked, vacations scheduled, and childcare handled. Starting early allows you to lock in committed families, spread enrollments over time, avoid panic discounts and rushed ads, and one powerful tactic here that you could use is an early bird registration. This doesn't mean heavy discounts. It could be a small early bird incentive, priority week selection, a bonus like a free camp t-shirt. You're rewarding early action, not racing to the bottom. Also, make sure your camps align with school calendar. Parents plan around school breaks, not gym schedules. When dates align, your enrollments become easier. Second point, your marketing. This is where enrollments come from. Once timing is locked in, you need to show up in the right places. Google Ads and local search. For example, parents are actively searching gymnastics camp near me, kids summer camp in your city. These are high intent parents ready to enroll. Even a modest Google ad budget can drive strong results when targeting and landing pages are set up correctly. Your Facebook and Instagram ads, Meta. Meta helps you reach local parents before they start searching. You're building awareness, familiarity, and trust. Use simple creatives, short videos of real kids and coaches, text overlays like summer camp spots filling fast. Add that urgency into it. Your email marketing and your SMS marketing. This is where many gyms leave money on the table. Use email and SMS to nurture past campers, current families, existing leads. Send 3 to 4 emails a month highlighting camp benefits, early bird deadlines, limited availability. Being short, clear, and consistent always beats long and fancy. Your Instagram reels and your short form video. Now this plays into your social media, your organic social media. Show real moments, real kids, real coaches, and real days. Parents want to see what their child's experience is going to look like when they're at your gym. Your local Facebook groups and even referrals. Share helpful tips, mention deadlines, and highlight limited spots. Referrals are great, but treat them as a bonus, not a real strategy. Now the third point, your website. This is where many parents get lost. You can run a great marketing ad and still lose parents right here on your site. Your summer camp needs to have a dedicated landing page, a page that should clearly show what's included, what are the dates and schedules, what age groups do you allow, what's your pricing, what parents should expect. Your sign up and inquiry button should be obvious and easy to find. Don't bury it at the bottom of the page, and keep your process simple. Fewer steps, less friction, fast follow-up. Speed does matter here. Now, messaging. What actually is going to convert parents? This is again where many gyms miss the mark. Most summer camp marketing focuses on flips, games, obstacle courses, and the fun activities they're gonna have. But parents aren't buying activities, they're buying a peace of mind. Parents care about a safe, supervised childcare, structured days, not chaos. Somewhere where their kids can build confidence and skill development potentially, where their kids are gonna come home happy and a peace of mind while they work. Instead of leading with what kids do, lead with what parents are gonna get out of it. For example, your child stays active, builds confidence, and is cared for by trained coaches while you enjoy a stress-free summer. And scarcity matters because it is real. Remind parents that Camps fill every year. Waiting means fewer options. Early registration guarantees their spot. Position your camp as the smart, responsible choice, not just something fun. Now, some common mistakes to avoid. Let's quickly go over some of the biggest mistakes. Marketing too late. Waiting until spring puts you behind. Start in January or as soon as possible. Focusing on activities instead of parent benefits. No follow-up system. If parents don't hear back quickly, they will move on. Relying only on organic posts or word of mouth. That reaches only a fraction of your market. You need ads, search, email, and community outreach to working together. If you want to stop guessing and stop scrambling and fill your summer camp spots early, you need a system, not more random posts. At Disruptive, we help gymnastics gyms build complete summer camp marketing plans from timing and ads to follow-up, so every spot gets filled in your gym. If you want to help building your own summer camp enrollment strategy, please book a free strategy call using the link in the description, and we'll show you exactly how to maximize your summer camp this year.